Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix overheating during use on your INFINIX Note 60 Pro. First, I walk through closing heavy apps. For example, if I use Chrome, Messages, Phone, or the camera, I click this button and close all apps at once. The system will tell us it's already in the best state. Next, I'm lowering my screen refresh rate, not exactly lowering, but changing the setting. I always use auto switch, which switches between 60 and 144 Hz. We can set it to standard for 60 Hz. High isn't worth it because it drains the battery, but auto switch is good because when not using it stays at 60, and when using it goes up to 120 or 144. When I charge my phone and it's overheating during use, I remove the case. You may wonder why. It's simple. I remove it so heat isn't trapped underneath. I use my phone like this. After removing the case, I check for background processes. We can go to Settings, then App Management. In App Management we have Screen Time, so we can see all running apps and their info. Whenever an app is running in the background or not, I go over and in battery settings I won't allow background usage for every app that's draining battery. That's what I do. As a last resort, I check for the latest software updates so it's not a glitch. My system is up to date, but if yours isn't, I recommend updating. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscription, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.